friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up the next week of May in our horizontal planners, and I've got this washi tape, I'm ready to go, as well as these sticker books and a special planner box that I'll be using for this spread. So yeah, this week I received a box from Planything and I was really excited because she's just starting out and it was her very first box, and I was happy to help get the word out on how cool this monthly subscription box is. So I went ahead and designed a spread around her box and the styling of the box for the month of May. I took everything in there and thought that maybe a kind of like jungle green theme would work pretty well with the stickers that were available. I basically used mostly her stickers in the middle of it, but I felt like I needed a little bit more decor, so I added in those palm fronds from the Fun Floral sticker book. The look and feel here I was just kind of going for is like hanging vines, jungle, so I grabbed, like I said, all of the leaves and things from the Fun Florals and her box, and then just added in a few touches of this dark green to kind of match with the stickers. The only book I could find those in was in the Free Spirit. So basically those long strips I'm using for my checklist are actually one box sticker I grabbed out of that Free Spirit book. And then I also add in one other circle sticker for decor, but that was it. That's all I grabbed from there. The rest of it is from the box and it's really cute. Again, I used only specific colors, but there's other colors, and if you're interested in seeing what's all in the box, I do have an unboxing up on my Instagram channel, IGTV. You guys can see what's in the box and place an order if you guys are interested. I believe the last day to order is May 24th, 2020. So if you're seeing this after that, no worries. You could still probably recreate most of the spread using other stickers from the Fun Florals, and Pastel Tropics might be a good one to try to recreate this spread. All that information will be in the description, the sticker books used, as well as how to get your own Botanical Dreams box before they move on to June. But do check her out, she's really good, and like I said, it's a monthly subscription box, so each month there'll be something new for you. If you're interested, ships internationally, lots of good benefits. Okay, so back to the spread. I know I've kind of already set up the left-hand side of the page. Basically just doing my normal routine of doing focus boxes and checklists and then decor. The decor this week is in the corners of the spread, so I put those palm fronds in the corners as a border or bracket for the main part of the spread, and I think that works out really well. So I'm continuing to lay in these stickers. I said that I use that one box sticker to make all of the checklists. I am trimming it to size as I go just to make it easier and make sure everything fits perfectly. I'm also trimming these little vine leaves off because they are on white. I didn't want it to be white at the top. I wanted it to look like it was falling into the day. So I'm just trimming them so that they look like they're flush with the black day divider line. Just adds a little bit more realistic look to it. I'm also using a couple circle stickers from that box, and then she had a lot of cute leaves to use within the sticker sheets. So what I'm doing is I kind of am making a decor around the circle sticker just to re-emphasize those leaves and the palm fronds. Also adding in a few tidbits here and there, just some quotes. There's that circle sticker I had mentioned before from the Free Spirit sticker book. So I'm going to go ahead and lay in this last corner of palm fronds, and basically I just layered them in a way that, I thought felt right for the corner, and then I'm just going to trim them off, and I will attempt to reuse as many of the pieces as I can on the spread. There was one full sticker sheet in the Fun Floral sticker book to use, and I used all of them there, so I'm going to try to use as much as I can because, again, I don't think I'll be able to reuse those pieces somewhere else just because I don't have any more pom fronds to use. And now I'm laying in those other vine pieces. These ones are a little bit longer, so I decided to use those here on the bottom where I could use them as a divider and do my list to the right side of the vines. I also thought about using this washi tape on here, kind of again going for that more jungle tribal feel, but I just thought it would be too much. I think I want to keep it pretty clean and green on here, so I'm going to leave that off, even though I went back and forth on whether I wanted to try that. So now I'm just laying in those extra pieces, trying to see if there are good places for each. And some of the pieces were a little too big. I felt like I thought they would start to eke into like a full border if I kept using them. So I'm going to trim a few of them out here in a minute and make them work within this spread. Like here, it was just too big, but I'm going to use that to cover the little corner area. And then just doing a little trimming here. Not really happy with the way that guy turned out. I might pick that up in a minute and like the way that that looked. And here I thought it'd be good to have a little bit more, but that was too much, so I'm just going to kind of trim it on an angle. Let me fix this guy. Okay, you guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.